This is the solar powered air purifier project. It consists of LCD, Arduino, air quality sensor, gas sensor, output air quality sensor, battery, solar panel, DC buck converter, ESP32. It shows the data of gas and air. Whenever the data reaches the above 100 value, then it will turn on the purifier. Let's check. When the value reaches, it will turn on the purifier. Then it will show the output sensor value. This is the value. We have the cooler fan, carbon filters inside.